The Philippine eagle, Pithecophaga jefferyi, also known as the monkey-eating eagle or great Philippine eagle, is a critically endangered species of eagle of the family Accipitridae which is endemic to forests in the Philippines. It has brown and white-colored plumage, a shaggy crest, and generally measures 86 to 102 centimeters in length and weighs 4 to 8 kilograms. The Philippine eagle is considered the largest of the extant eagles in the world in terms of length and wing surface area, with only Steller's sea eagle and the harpy eagle being larger in terms of weight and bulk. Upon its scientific discovery, the Philippine eagle was first called the monkey-eating eagle because of reports from natives of Bonga, Samar, where the species was first discovered, that it preyed exclusively on monkeys. These reports gave its generic name, from the Greek pithecus, pithekos, ape, or monkey, and phagus, phagos, eater of. It has also been called the Great Philippine Eagle. It has numerous names in the many Philippine languages, including aguila, eagle, a Spanish loanword, haribon, from herring ibon, kingbird, and banog, kite. The Philippine eagle is endemic to the Philippines and can be found on 4 major islands: Eastern Luzon, Samar, Leyte, and Mindanao. The largest numbers of eagles reside on Mindanao, with between 82 and 233 breeding pairs. Only 6 pairs are found on Samar, 2 on Leyte, and a few on Luzon. It can be found in northern Sierra Madre National Park on Luzon and Mount Apo, Mount Malindang, and Mount Catanglad National Parks on Mindanao. This eagle is found in dipterocarp and mid-montane forests, particularly in steep areas. Its elevation ranges from the lowlands to mountains of over 1,800 meters. Only an estimated 9,220 kilometers square of old-growth forest remain in the bird's range. However, its total estimated range is about 146,000 kilometers square. Though previously known as the monkey-eating eagle, in fact Philippine eagles not only eat monkeys, but they also prey on a whole host of animals, both large and small. They have been known to hunt bats, civets, flying squirrels, and macaques. They also eat birds, including other birds of prey, snakes and lizards. Philippine eagles primarily use 2 hunting techniques. One is still hunting, in which it watches for prey activity while sitting almost motionlessly on a branch near the canopy. The other is perch hunting, which entails periodically gliding from one perch to another. While perch hunting, they often work their way gradually down from the canopy on down the branches. Philippine eagles are monogamous and once paired, a couple remains together for the rest of their lives. If one dies, the remaining eagle often searches for a new mate to replace the one lost. During the breeding season that takes place in July, Philippine eagles perform courtship displays. The beginning of courtship is signaled by nest building, and the eagle remaining near its nest. Aerial displays include paired soaring over nesting territory, the male chasing the female in a diagonal dive, and mutual talon presentation, where the male presents his talons to the female's back and she flips over in midair to present her own talons. The willingness of an eagle to breed is displayed by the eagle bringing nesting materials to the bird's nest. The nest is usually built on a tall tree with an open crown. It is lined with green leaves and can be around 1.5 meters across. The female typically lays 1 egg, although occasionally 2 have been reported. The egg is incubated for 58 to 68 days, and typically 62 days, by both parents, but the female does the majority of incubating during the day and all of it at night. Both parents help feed the newly hatched eaglet. The chick fledges after 4 or 5 months and both parents take care of it for a total of 20 months. Females usually become reproductively mature at 5 years of age and males at 7. Like all top predators, Philippine eagles play a very important role in their environment. They are what is known as an umbrella species. Just as several people can stand under one large umbrella and be protected from the rain, so too can many species of wildlife be protected by conserving one species like the Philippine eagle. To protect the eagles, we must protect the monkeys and civets and other animals they need for food, the plants and animals that monkeys and civets feed on, and the trees that Philippine eagles nest in, which helps protect the other animals that use these trees for food, shelter, and space. According to the IUCN Red List, the total Philippine eagle population size is around 180 to 500 mature individuals, which is around 250 to 750 individuals in total. According to Wikipedia resource in 2015, about 600 Philippine eagles were estimated to be left in the wild. Currently, this species is classified as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List and its numbers today are decreasing. Among the rarest and most powerful birds in the world, the Philippine eagle has been declared the Philippine national bird. This eagle, because of its size and rarity, is also a highly desired bird for birdwatchers. Killing a Philippine eagle is punishable under Philippine law by up to 12 years in prison and heavy fines. That's the video about the great Philippine eagle, the rarest, endangered, and most powerful bird. Let's together preserve their existence. See you in the next episode with various stories and knowledge. If you like this video, please share and subscribe this channel for other interesting videos. See you soon.